Hi everyone, this is our final project, Airbnb new listing quality prediction. We are Vani and Larry. The goal of our project is predict the potential rating for the new listings on Airbnb. We scrape data from these three APIs. After data cleaning, we collected data for more than 2,000 listings in San Francisco. We select features about the property, about the neighborhood, and the host. After some data exploration, we found the listing with 5-star ratings are much more than others. So we tried some methods to deal with the imbalanced data, but the results are not satisfied. So we consider to use other information to evaluate the quality of the listings. We scraped the review data, and we consider listings with 5-star ratings and more than 6 reviews in the last half of year as good listings. We tested 6 classifiers with cross-validation. The hyperparameters for each classifiers are tuned. Generally, we got over 80% accuracy and over 70% recall. The random forest classifier is the best, and we got 81% accuracy on the test set. The most important features from random forest classifiers including whether the host is highly rated, the person capacity, and some other amenities. We also analyze the review text for bad and good listings to see the biggest concern about homes. Most common words for good listings including beautiful, homey, and generous. That's all. Thanks for listening.